Hey everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. Just thought I'd show you this now. It's a Musa Basjoo. That is the Japanese hardy banana. You're not going to get bananas like you buy in the shops and have in your fruit bowl, but what you will get is these giant paddle shaped leaves, and these will actually get bigger next year on this plant. You'll get them even longer. If you're looking to add a tropical jungle feel to an area, get one of these. These will come through the winter fine. Good mulch on the base, and then you'll throw up multiple stems of these next year, and they'll probably go 10-12 feet tall, give you a really big tropical plant. So you can also use this as a house plant indoors over the winter period, but it's really best in garden borders outside. As I say, fully hardy. Give it a mulch and it'll come back each and every year, bigger and better, more shoots on it, more of these big paddle-like leaves. So you're getting a lot of plant here for your money with us. It's about 5 foot tall, I'm guessing, including these top leaves. As you get, the older ones grow, you chop them off, or you can leave them on, they'll flop down. But it's a really good dramatic plant for adding something special for a tropical garden or jungle garden effect. So get these now while you can, because they won't be around forever. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.